What is up, Seven Soldiers? It's RPGMN777 and today, this is just a random content. So pinag-iisipan ko, gawa kaya tayo ng cooking with RPGMN777 and eto na! Here we go! So, ano ba yung mga kailangan natin para sa gagawin natin? Pero una sa lahat, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Spaghetti.
I hope she made lots of spaghetti!
So, ano yung mga kailangan? Let's go. Spaghetti noodles, of course. Kailangan yan. And it says here, al dente in just 10 minutes. Wow. Spaghetti sauce, mushrooms and cheese, hot dogs, onions, garlic, and some pork. Pati na rin pala tubig. So, pinapakulo na yung tubig and it doesn't seem boiling. It doesn't seem boiling yet. Para malagay na natin yung pasta natin. So, nahiwa na natin yung mga hot dogs natin and now we're going to mince the garlic. Lagay rin natin yung ating noodles dyan. Nandaantay natin 10 minutes to al dente. Ika nga naman doon sa packaging kanina. It only takes 10 minutes to be al dente. I-search nyo na rin sa Google yun kung ano.
Actually, pwede na po tayo.
We're also chopping onions. So you can compare my slicing skills dito and sa skills ng dad ko. Just do it. You can make a meme out of it. Oh, look at that. Actually, naka 10 minutes siguro, no? Hindi pa?
Pwede daw yun.
Kasi sabi daw, ano,
Kahit hindi maka 10 minutes, kainin mo lang. Kasi patayin mo, maluluto na yung sa process ng cheese.
Let's look. Oh yes. Okay, so it's lighting. It's already al dente. Nice. Shaky-blicky. Since al dente na yung pasta, we're now going to make the sauce. You know the drain. Kaya rin may ganyan para mahinto na rin yung cooking process niya. So na-disable yung flash ng camera dahil mainit yung phone. So anyways, ilagay na natin ang mantika tapos isosotay natin ang bawang at sibuyas. Lalagay na rin natin ground pork. Sorry talaga sa lighting for the millionth time. Dahil uminit yung iPhone natin kasi dahil sa flash. So, Antayin natin maluto itong pork. Ikita naman natin kung pag naluto siya, magiging brown. And we don't want to get our meat smashed because it's raw. And we're going to put some pepper. Sorry talaga sa lighting. For taste. And of course, some fish sauce. Time to add in the mushrooms. Teka, nakalimutan ko yung light natin. There. Is cellphone ko na lang muna kasi mushrooms and then the hot dogs. Yan, the hot dogs. And then the carrots. Oh, look at that. It's tomato sauce. I mean, spaghetti sauce. Filipino party style. It's sweet. And yung original Italian na na spaghetti is, well, it's pure tomato talaga. Ito may konting tamis and has some different flavor. Look at the reflection, the glare on the sauce itself. And it smells good. It smells sweet. And now time to put in our sauce. Oh, look at that. Yan, haluin na yan. Haluin na. Oh, look at that quality. And siguro optional na rin. Lagyan ng ketchup if you want to make it a little bit more sweeter or have a different flavor. So, yung ketchup na nilagay natin is sweet ketchup, sweet tomato ketchup. So, it'll be more sweeter than the actual sauce itself. Now, just halu-haluin. Tapos yung pinagkuluan ng pasta. To make it thicker kasi merong starch nga yung noodles. So, yan. And of course, some pepper. And a pinch of salt. And one thing, ang salt na yun is Himalayan salt. Just to say, okay, I think that's more than a pinch. And halo-haloin na lahat. And it'll be okay. Lalagyan na lang natin noodles para maging spaghetti. I want you on the next day na gumawa ng memes about spaghetti. Okay? And siguro titignan natin. Sana nga magkaroon. So, sa Discord, okay? Sa Discord server and sa Team 7 dapat sarili nyong memes sa hindi kinuha lang kung saan. So, it can involve spaghetti memes or Mario. Anyways, let's continue. Oh, I forgot the cream. All-purpose cream. So, lalagyan na natin. Medyo lang nanigas lang sa ref. Kaya ganyan yung itsura niyan. And now, let's put it right there. So, creamy yan na to. Creamy Filipino style spaghetti. There we go. Oh. Mamma mia. Ikaw na yung mga Italiano. There we go. So we're making quality food as well as quality editing on the video for the video. And oh my god, look at that. Oh, nakakagutom naman to. So sabihin nyo rin sa comment section kung nagutom rin kayo. And malay nyo, baka magkaroon kayo ng libreng spaghetti na nahulog sa langit, no? Malay nyo. Okay, tikman na natin. Kung it's already good. Let's go. Mainit siya, kaya hinihipan ko. Okay, sakto yung tamis. Matamis siya. And ganyan talaga Filipino style na spaghetti. Pero hindi ko masyado nalasan yung cream. Pero siguro sa kulay lang siya. Because eto na, lalagyan na natin ang pasta sa sauce. Here we go! Sarap. Noodles pala, masarap na. And there goes all the noodles.
Hindi ka makain, masarap eh.
No. Oh. Oh yeah. So, ilalagay ko rin sa description ang mga ingredients. Oh, ang pinaka-paborito ko sa mga ganitong klaseng ginagawa namin ay ang pagkain. So, let's dig in. So, ayan na. Lalagyan natin ng cheese. Ayan. There we go. So, ayan. Ito na. Let's now dig in. Perfect. It's so good. This is 5 stars. 5-star rating to. Try nyo to. Wow. I'm so stuffed. Sobrang busog. Ang sarap. Try nyo talaga to. Try nyo to. Kung na-skip nyo man yung yung video, balik nyo na lang ulit sa umpisa. And kung gusto niyo rin malaman ng ingredients, lalagay ko na sa description yung yung mga ingredients. So guys, thank you for watching. Smash subscribe, the like button, the bell. Comment rin kayo kung anong gusto niyo na gawin namin. Peace out.